So it's 106.3.
But you'll be sick tune in my hand at the idea.
We the Adom. Adom bia ya hates it.
As well.
Asem papa ofia. Asem papa ofia. Asem papa so dear and one joy. So joy dear, love will touch you, love will diswa, and shrebu supi.
As well.
106.3, 103.9, Love FM 99.5, 25 years of media excellence. Yenimniachi, Obianio, Ubesumia try, yeah, Nanso. A poisroche, a bell hole, I'm why a fish, and get a lapia pala.
Hi.
Okay.
Yeah, but just I'm feeling intro. No.
Thank you, all stations.
Mic check.
Ghana's #1 radio station. Ghana's #1
you can
radio
station. Your phones.
No doubt about that. More join you on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM. And Mama, her sister Sandy be a guy in a combination. She's really looking good.
Thank you.
Really looking good.
And you know, somebody was like, multimedia girls are so pretty. I'm like, we know they carry lies. Come on.
Charlie.
Look at the girls here.
Charlie.
Look at pretty girls.
Charlie.
With or without makeup. We're too dope.
Charlie.
I mean, look at Dorina View.
Charlie.
Look at Becky.
Charlie.
Look at Mama V.
Charlie.
Look at Fiamankwa.
And now you see,
look at Mami Ngege. Baby. Action form.
I don't see that.
It's a bill's name.
Okay.
Let me see baby and let me see baby and let me see baby and baby and hey, I've had a monk. I've had a monk on this year. I've had a monk on it. Be a Jack Nigga Stone Boy named Mr. Drew. I call we edgy and me to be a jazz stone boy. Big artist, I say. Now, boy, what query on your man can't quite hear me. Son, I brand a friend of Mr. Drew.
Why you dying?
No, query on your man watching or be the bad time.
Sir.
Query actually. I'm on the Kelson, so ye more so him horsey.
Sir.
I said, I you your man, dear.
I can't be so.
And I saw Korea wrote to me. Boy, our year series power. Also in Nigeria, and about America.
Okay.
And you're not there. I just want to, baby. You're not there. A pet,
sir.
Now, boy, I need shame. Only a cover. But me then some why na cover. A feature big artist also. A who music video. Cover a video.
Then just answer. Oh yeah,
funny person. Nene na hete phone ya aboy.
Okay.
Phone interview.
Okay.
Aboy chemu we di hon ya papa. Or recording nyum ni wie ye no. And na highly spiritual for age ni mu say nyum na cover. Aboy chemu or record
ya find information na ma no.
Dabi
or record wie ye no.
Dabi lala fio. Ibala.
Ow.
It's one brand, that's why I'm very disappointed. But once I will be snatching Mr. Drew, Ghana ni, Echo boy ni DM, Bossu. Somebody steal your song for Ghana.
But how do you describe that as a snitch?
Well, because you are Ghanaian, and your fellow Ghanaian brother abonyo mecha video aboka.
One country ni pana or no ajene nyomo no but
on side there's always a blessing in disgrace. Boy ni so kwasnechi Drew, but I pay just Stone Boy am I. In the snitching, or can we say, Ofie Stone Boy, and Stone Boy is one of the biggest artists from Ghana.
Okay.
And they say, wrote to me, no name Stone Boy, Coco go no bo Stone Boy, Stone and your collaboration.
Okay.
Or Bogo go no who Stone Boy, none in your net, channel, none vibe, and it does. Stone Boy and your collaboration, so then we may have positive side, no.
So,
but so now, when you put a chain. But black, wouldn't baby.
Catch them.
May I say, won't her nay and you to me be now so many hunipa. And you'll be nice,
or more.
Nanka no fellow Ghanaian dear fan hobby. fellow Ghanaian, me nyanyum tuni, me ko report Mr. Drew njeshe. Ayanyum tuni bi. Nesan so afan animu kono me ehu no. And no small bi, why was the person recording?
Na den na won so odwen say ayanyum tuni bi.
Ayobi.
No, I don't know uncle obi a wadu you say ayanyum tuni.
And I make sure say fellow Ghanaian no money ma ko report boy na yede. Ayanyum tuni so am the snitching game no mu wo achi.
Okay.
Papa Bilson so the sa kwade man the fancy say
onimo mu de no kre.
Sa kwade nwum bi o se Bilson man the fella nti ahwefo mu hwe yie.
Sa enwumre cross ko di no ho.
Oh, ebi ni. Wo kan sam na se Bilson nam ho na ye sa kwade asem twa so.
Be careful.
Because wa bonyum kwa man shout out say Papa Bills the fella na hu kimi.
As well.
Na say wo hu ya ye hu. Timeti akwa me kan sa kasa ma me hwe hu. Eti ano ni asem no.
That's right.
Black.
Papa.
On se mese sameni ye ni say ya no sa asem na 3 so no. Legendary. Unim Samuel Ofori. Kuma would actor Samuel Ofori. When my dear brother kwakwe. Jesus, what if I'm money cheme come to me ho amenya mi o ade na mi be yo. Hey, yes brother na broche for ma wa so mo lie.
Hey,
asemi buy me can be my brain say he on to me yes broche ni person ogu na ni mas na fei e na mensa keka audios. Yes brother na dwuma wom no Brandon. Shepe sat we get something.
Okay.
Sa wadenam ene ese abroche for no ene ese ye di kumase boy na no de ni ohu a
otukua
wotimi kura tukua kase gold kura excavators in the bedroom.
I tell you
timi two girls ni kua kase ono ne skin no e rubber ye wide the taraso. I
tell you
ba na yi na new match abroche for girls na ye se ba akokoye victim. Cut na ne so 9 months na black ye ke can celebrate se me mamota ayo ya ampa. Bibi so ampa.
Say
yes, someone celebrities say man the sugar daddy in Nigeria o maye wa ha. Na no mo ka obi anu to actress o. O sisi kan sign ne eje. But no if you so twi Range Rover na ho no bisa say wo kasesi ni twa no sign na oje Range Rover no nya wa he. Ti man the question mark ne yaje atamanfo papa sika esu a. Na mema no na mo source no yenya hu ya bra sami Adom.
They say
the girls are not in it alone. I say man nko na sugar daddy.
Say celebrities wo mo Ghana na mema no.
Ai.
Wo mo so target abrochire man no.
Ti mema no they are not in it alone.
Okay.
Enti man nyo mo nko na wo sa business we na hu ne sa no.
I see.
Ye kiremu a mema ne nso no. Momu binom no de ema sugar mommies. Eno nan chen no na kwame obo ade nso uchem sa broche for man na omo bitimi de omo ho ba etimi show video. Oh kwame, I don't like your bedroom, this bed is too small, pesa me bre wompa no ade aba o. Oh Papa Bills, this shirt, I mean I was at DNG, I have this no ade aba kotonya bia obeje ahye obehye ba
combination
sisters ne de ba nyina no sa omo chem a esusu no omo to obeba Ghana bia wo fie ni hotel. It's who boy no so steam fa na chia.
Okay.
Asemi edeka.
Hina beka.
Amamio. Miara. Enyo biaro miara. Sister Sandy. T Bills. Obisi me nyai Bills dimbo he. Facebook Justina Love. Sister Sandy, please leave Papa Bills alone. How? Me nya na hwan mefa.
Eno ni asem no.
Me nyai Bills na hwan mefa.
Eno ni asem no.
It is Samuel Ofori di wakoye no.
That's it.
Na broche for man no ebinom no. Akoba ne say ebi mu bodua na omo record. Okay. No mo di to social media. Omo timi ye video phones na nim no di atem no record. Pacho ochina question na me wo ma broche for girls na ye boredom and a loneliness. Enyo omo nyina na yesa. There are some good there are about 80% good women abroad, Ghanaian women abroad. 20% kakrebi na aka no. Aya na me ya say omo de funsi omo so didi atem yes on culture thing na ya tag omo na sabroche for man, abroche for man. Ba enyo omo nyina. It's a question of the day. Wa broche ya wote enka watchna be join here 106.3 Adom FM Facebook. Come and share your views. E dia na ye kan broche for man ni binom no. E ma omo de funsi omo so di atem bitimi bodua no record. Make na ne be jana chief and mama.
Can you imagine?
No, Ogusu Bojia. Obitimi bodua fa WhatsApp. no snap me nkwaje we hen na mato adua no so Ghana ha so watchina no abochefo ni meya no na story etwa to a me dey story
okay
that story no ye hu se papa panyin bi aba bebro Safo Roseman patron me say abrochefo no mu binom abrochefo no
what qualify
thank you. I said 20% of Ghanaian women living abroad. There are 80% who are so good.
That's right.
Don't misquote me.
That's right.
Yeah, thank you. Safo Anasi, most of them don't have anything to do. Watch now, know your watch now discussions if I bring me. Last story, Obeje say that's why papa bi obodua. Abroche ni sa o. Asam na make anya abroche for man nkwa abroche for me bit me di omo ho atema no mo de man WhatsApp.
That's right.
Abroche papa bi bodua na obo kwakumanu be wo be pimo papa mpamu na am say wa obodua ochimu eden dua bo
papa the food
and the bills dey ya pen
there papa bills there
papa
dey look sense
there be am say no me ba ne papa
ba hwe papa ba ko na fu no di gina ho obodua no gu kwan no so say hey
okay so
yeah and on no say ne ya support ne say
unim say ekowie chenye kwakumanu actor.
Wow, look.
And I miss next time bodua ya achire because Ghana aka kwakumanu nipa ba ko pene nyina ye ni beko no so kwakumanu anope me frɛ kwakumanu ewo Adom TV so na wochire mu a asem na nye ono a ote no o so big no ba so family na wife say black ati ha na obi bodua black guy o ye mehye no into o say enye ono a but oni na obodua no please could you please come again and state emphatically now kind of thing
no wetwa emphatically
and state emphatically ana
go enim
oh them be say me I say esuan there no na be ma men kan you can emphatically
afako
papa no
afa
and state emphatically
go enim obi show
Nana wa na bills o mo kwa ma social media so you cry Richmond for so o say oh bills
leave papa bills stomach
oh Charlie ain't no dia akoba eno no kwakumenu say
Jesus so say sister Sani please leave papa alone no
papa beja no me
obi so ehu na to trotrum
ampa
obi so ehu na to trotrum I saw sister Sani na trotrum
me post video bi on Instagram and na me te trotrum
dia na wo to yogurt no
no a trotro wahala 5 years ago so omunim say me chest ni da but amfa na
papa be you nice tune back na me fa to akire
mo beja me kwan na say sa de munyai
ade
Some ye ya mu ja me kwa mo onyo ma mo de pramechi ana no mo de jamena mo yare oh me di kwankwasi a me so no na Jerry Justice di ja me kwa na no sa na me sorry so ma sa mamba ku bi e wo no kwa na e you know what I'm saying but then mo be ja me kwa a mo ma mi
Sule Baby Spray House
state and mo ha Adom FM de ye ha say
e mo share on TV
on
yeah ha no yes every program after every program
obi atna so sorry fumicate 25 years of media excellence ye ni agro
Ghana's #1 radio station ye mfa nioma ni agro
ye mfa no nchefish
health ho nsam so eni agro
ye mfa no nchefish
ye wakasa kakra
nti no de e beko
na ene bisa nwom de na eko
oh bisa nwom eko mu hia ma Adom enyom ben na mpese mo bo hia Adom TV so se me no sa mo ke kanwom bo mpese me hu nwom a mo li ja me
P on the beat
enwa obede ya di be hook you ya di be hook you fella no cham di be hook you of side there mami boza one from boza the communication the spirit is too spiritual
that's all sister Sani be a guy and I will tell the guy open a multivitamin tonica ekuta all the essential vitamins and minerals we here power for umoja and vitality and a stronger immune system part there HB rich syrup HB rich syrup HB rich complete vitality for the whole family baja bema wa utum se na say wo bema na ba form no de wo hia ye Manix Heba Sule na on to boase aw Sule to boase chale u spray u so the spray menu how the spray menu afa kra dia se be grade adwuma ne ye odese wakatu adodo Sule adai anyway Manix Heba capsules ebemu wa ye bema emema ye di nkomo me ne mema ni di nkomo Manix Heba capsules ebe promote o libido no o libidic prowess no eba be levitate no ama stamina na mo atumi agina na so se bema mu One who dear make no. Furniture license chemical shop BM pharmacy BM ubenya HB rich syrup and Manix herbal capsules ibu now what me out to phone for 0249 436 757.
Make on the sex and rice. Yaria the corner na yebe.
Sule spray this side spray my name left side of my hand my name spray me phone no so me spray me calculate oh Sule day.
You want to never be hook me.
Papa Bills, thank you so very much.
For body be hook me.
Boys at the back.
African, thank you so very much.
You want to never be hook me.
Jamestown J. Cole, thank you so very much. Me didn't question up here between from a black eye. If I charge Jerry Justice on call baby, oh, hi, I'm a Seremo. On call baby, I made Tremor, me Tremo de Mano. But Jerry was on call baby, for me didn't question up here between from a black eye. Sule boy, you man, Sule boy, yeah, Sule boy,